going on YouTube? Thank you for tuning into another video. Today I'm very excited. I have a new exhaust coming, so it should be delivered shortly, and I will be installing it on the car. It's a muffler section and was sent out by Extreme Online Store, so huge shout out to them again. I'm super excited to hear what this sounds like. So currently my exhaust setup is catless resonated downpipes, single mid pipe, and stock muffler. So now we are getting rid of the stock muffler and we're going to an upgraded unit, and hopefully it sounds great. Should tie right into the OEM system, which is what I like. And yeah, so we'll see how that goes. Currently I'm taking some video clips for sound with the stock exhaust, stock muffler still on, so I can have some before and afters. Alright guys, so coffee has been secured. If you know, you know. I'm gonna get some clips of the exhaust closed, valves open, everything, do some pulls, hit some back roads, and then we'll take the car home and wait till the exhaust goes back on. Alright guys, we're back from our little drive. I've let the car cool down for a little bit, so now I'm ready to take the muffler off the car. Meanwhile, the Extreme Online Store muffler did show up, so I'm going to do a quick little unboxing on that, show you guys what it comes with, and we can go ahead and start, taking the car apart, putting the new muffler on, and I'm super excited, so let's just get right to it. I'm going to do the unboxing real quick, and then we can start taking the car apart. Alright, so here we have it. Muffler is out of the box. Now I'm gonna go ahead and remove all the packaging. diffuser is off the car now, so I can see underneath. And this is the stock muffler. So for the stock muffler, we will be removing, you gotta make sure you unplug that right there. That's the valve controller. Unplug the valve controller, drop the hangers, and then if your stock exhaust isn't cut already, then you have to actually cut the exhaust. However, I have a single mid pipe, as you can see, so I am able to just simply unbolt it. And obviously they provided new clamps, so these clamps are a little old now. They're beat up, so we'll have new clamps on there, and the new muffler will bolt right up. And yeah, so I'm gonna keep working at it, start removing everything. Exhaust just a little bit. We have it off. This is the stock muffler, as you can see, and the upgraded Extreme Online Store muffler. So now what we have to do is remove the exhaust hangers, pull them off of this on both sides, transfer them over, as well as the valve controllers. So as I said earlier, this uses the stock valve controller. You simply just plug it in. Obviously you have to bolt on the valve controller right here, and you plug it right into the OEM connector, and that's all that needs to be done. And then obviously we will throw on the exhaust tips and we will go from there. So stay tuned. Let's see how this thing sounds. I'm sure it'll install fine. I was looking at the mounting points and everything. Looks like it'll install just fine, so let's get this going. I thought I would explain a little bit how you have to remove the exhaust hangers. So simply remove this bolt, the hanger slides right out. It's actually a nut. Sorry, remove this nut, the hanger slides right off, and then you can simply put it on the new exhaust, which obviously you see I transferred it over. As for the valve controller, it bolts right up, 3 bolts. You take it off the stock one, bolt it right up to this. Now they provide you with a little spring, and you have to insert the spring into this area with the actual valve controller. So you see there's nothing right here, and this is how the valves work. Alright guys, so I got the exhaust hung. As you can see, nothing is tight. I'm just trying to make sure everything works. So you can see the valve is closed right there. It's at close. So this is Bimmerlink. I just wanted to confirm that the valves work. Open. Closed. And yeah, as you can see, checked both of them. This got a little bit better lighting for you guys to see. So you can see the valve controllers work. They're the stock controllers that are just mounted onto this exhaust. And yeah, so that's awesome. Super hype about that. Now we can finish hanging the exhaust and go from there. So yeah, you guys can take a look at the exhaust, nice and shiny. Alright guys, so just got the muffler installed. I am gonna now just test everything, make sure everything works. Valve should work perfectly fine. We'll just start it right up and hear how it sounds.